Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best SKS Scope Mount that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best SKS Scope Mount. We have picked the UTG Pro SKS receiver cover mount as the best SKS scope mount as it protects the shooter and optics from spent casings, is full length, lightweight, durable, and is great at holding zero. Its great alignment provides better accuracy and made with durable materials. Your favorite SKS rifle and scope need the best SKS scope mount. Finding one may seem intimidating. Number 5. Rail Type Picatinny Style Weaver Style Scope Rail Mount. The rifle required whatsoever, simply replaces the existing receiver cover. Most users will be able to install this mount in under a minute without any modification. Main features: one-piece steel construction, original iron sights, length 4.8 inches. Number 4. Barska SKS Mount Black. Barska rifle scope mounts are quality mounts for your rifle scope. These rifle scope mounts by Barska are essential for a solid mounting system. Rail Type Picatinny Style, Weaver Style. Main features: rail length 5.2 inch. Body material T6 aluminum. Peep sight see-through design. Number 3. UTG Super Slim Picatinny Riser Mount. Distinctive scalloped Picatinny slots for snag-free accessory mounting. Significant lightning cuts massively reduce weight, resulting in a fully capable, lightweight. Main features: continuous rail edge design. Installation of multiple matte black hard coat anodize. Number 2. Crazy Ivan SKS Scope Mount. Optional plates allow the use of holes from previously installed scope mounts. The long rail mount, Type A, extends over ejection port to protect long scopes from spent casings. Main features: hard coat anodized aluminum. Lightweight. Unique design. Number 1. Sun Optics USA Tactical Military SKS Scope Mount. Uses rear retaining pin. Lightweight aircraft aluminum. Item: mounts. Type of sight: traditional rifle scope. 5 pounds. Main features: adjustable lockdown system. Scope mount. Made in China. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.